Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. Alright, so today we are cooking. As per usual, we're always cooking here. So, what we're cooking today is chicken skewers, corn on the cob, mashed sweet potatoes, and some broccoli, and we're gonna do it all on the grill. Okay. All right, so we have already started cooking. I'm just like, why am I not recording this? Hello. So I got my corn on the cob I'm about to chop up. Oh, you gonna chop it up?
No, I thought you were about to.
Yeah, you gonna chop it up. Then we got you know, these chicken skewers, but we got to put more on the grill, right? Then don't worry, my griddle is still hot from this morning. And then we already put the sweet potatoes on the grill and wrapped them up. See there? It's all nice and syrupy. See there? We're gonna mash those bad boys up. Smoky. And then we gotta chop up the broccoli, put some butter in a pot, a little bit of water, put the broccoli in a pot, season it up. Then we're gonna put it on the grill, let it cook on the grill. So come on, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we are waiting on the grill to get hot again. We have been using the wood out in the garden. You know, we got so much wood out in the garden, so I'm like, let's just, instead of getting charcoal, we can just use the wood. But however, when the wood goes out, it goes out. You know what I'm saying? You got to start all over again. So we have restarted the grill about, this is our third time restarting it, I believe. Let me think. No, it's the second time. So the fire is going. I don't know if you can see it. It's way over there. I hope you can see it. So, well, right now it's going down, so we're going to go ahead and go out there and put the chicken on the grill. All right, y'all, so we back outside. You know, it's Saturday. It's grilling Saturday. You know what I'm saying? Grill looking ready. You know what I'm saying? It's looking real pretty. You know, making my own charcoal out here in the garden. You feel me? So you already know I'm about to use these ashes in the garden, right?
Really? Like, that's kind of great.
Yeah, this is very great. Thanks for being Christian. To save. Thank you for sharing.
You got for like 6 minutes, okay?
That is about
progress, and that's not my thing.
Okay, guys, it's time to go. Let's grab our cups.
I really want to make Angela happy, but I don't know how much I care about mainstream fashion.
little disappointed with Tessa's looks because this is a skirt that I teach her to do in the second challenge, and she made it again as her own. I don't think that she was trying to push the dream dress of her trying here. She can be in trouble for this. Guys, let's go. It's my home.
I'm so tired. Thank God for the 2.5 hours. Alright, guys, you got from your clients, right? Right?
Only some vendors can what?
Only some vendors can bend certain sub-bendings.
My corn is burning.
I think you set it on that for way for a little too long.
Well, it's hot over here. It's not that hot over here. Well, it's hot right there.
Bro, are you sure those cooked?
Yeah, bro. You want to taste one?
Not really.
You gonna wait till we get in the house?
Can't believe we got it at the same time. What?
Fake.
Oh.
All right, y'all. So here is the spread.
It's like Thanksgiving, but on a budget.
You're a funny guy. You know that?
I'm not funny. I'm mean. That's what.
All right, y'all. So we are done. We finna sit down and eat. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm finna take a bath and go to bed. Y'all come eat.
Oh, take that.
I should have made some cornbread, but that's okay. Next time.
This one's mine. This one's mine.
Alright, y'all. So I'm finna get up out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, Annoying as DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.